Hey guys, today we're doing the polynomial difference theorem. So we're doing section 3 for chapter 9, which is finding polynomial models. And the main part of this is just using this polynomial difference theorem to determine what type of polynomial function we have so that we can model it using a polynomial equation. So the polynomial difference theorem says the function y equals f of x is a polynomial function of degree n. For any set of x values that form an arithmetic sequence, the nth difference of corresponding y values are equal and non-zero. So it probably doesn't make a lot of sense to you, but what that actually just means is that any linear function will just have a first degree difference, any quadratic function will have a second degree difference, any cubic will have a third degree difference, etc., etc., etc. So whatever power you have, you're going to have that type of difference for your polynomial difference theorem. So let's do an example. So on your notes, I gave you guys the equations. You won't normally get those. The only reason I put those there is so we can go back and check our work to make sure that we've done the correct thing. So in this function, 5x plus 3, this is linear, so that means we should have a first degree difference. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through here, and I'm just going to subtract these. So 8 minus 3 is 5, 13 minus 8 is 5, 18 minus 13 is 5, 23 minus 18 is 5, and 28 minus 23 is 5. So what you notice is that I have a common difference, and my common difference is 5. So what I can do is I can use that to find a linear regression. So the only reason that I care that that difference is 5 is because I know that I have a first degree difference. So that means that I have a linear equation. So now I can go in my calculator. I'm going to go to Stat, Edit. In my list 1, I'm going to type in my x values, which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In my list 2, I'm going to type in my y values, 3, 8, 13, 18, 23, 28. Then I'm going to hit Stat, Calc. I'm going to go to linreg, which is the fourth one. And when I hit enter, you'll notice that you get the equation 5x plus 3. So that is how you get the equation to one of these functions after you figure out what type of function you need to model it with. All right, next up, we've got 3, 5, 9, 15, 23, 33, 45. So I'm just going to start finding my differences. So this difference here is 2. This is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so I don't have a common first degree difference, so that means I need to keep going. So I just continue to find differences, and I notice that my second difference is constant. So that means that this is going to be a second degree function or a quadratic. So I can model this function using a quadratic regression. So on my calculator, in Stat Edit, I'm going to type in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for my x values in my list 1. I'm going to type in 3, 5, 9, 15, 23, 33, 45 for my y values in my list 2. I'm going to hit Stat, Calc, Quadreg. So I'm doing a quadratic regression because I know that this is a second degree difference. And when I do that, you get x squared plus x plus 3. Okay, last one. I've got this function here, so I'm going to start doing my differences. So notice that for this difference, I have negative 7 minus negative 10, okay, because I'm subtracting. So that's going to be negative 7 plus 10, which is 3. 8 minus negative 7, that's a difference of 15, 39, 75, 123, 183, 255. I don't know what's happening. Okay. Then that one didn't work, so I need to keep going. And then my second degree difference didn't work either, so I need to keep going. You'll notice that you get a third degree difference. So this means that this is a third degree polynomial equation or a cubic. So again, you're going to go into your stat edit. You're going to enter your list 1 and list 2 values. You're going to hit stat, calc, cubic reg, so cube reg. So that gives us our third degree polynomial function, which should be 2x cubed plus x minus 10. If you have a higher power function, the only powers that your calculator will do is 1 through 4, and the fourth power is quart reg, Q-U-A-R-T-R-E-G, so that one is, I believe, right underneath cube reg. Okay, that's everything for section 3.